The Commercial Division of the Kumasi High Court has set October 28 to rule on whether to hear a case in which the paramount chief of Twifo, Atti-Morkwa, is accused of carrying out illegal mining operations on concession of a legal mining firm in the area. Kwesi Kenin the fifth in the Omahini, who is the Omahini of Twifo, Atti-Morkwa, his linguist Ochiame Yao Asamoah, Ernest Aholu, and their foreign collaborators led by Wu Mingjing, a Chinese, have been dragged before the court for allegedly carrying out illegal mining operations on the concessions of Kadesh Mining Enterprise. There's more in the following report.
Officials of Kadesh Mining filed a writ before the court alleging over 85% of the company's 14.73-acre concession has been destroyed by the defendants. But the Omanhene Osiadeyo Kwesi Kenin IV filed a motion challenging the jurisdiction of the Kumasi High Court, arguing that the case should be heard at the Cape Coast High Court since all defendants reside in Twifo. His lawyers also requested the court to refer the matter to the Chief Justice for consideration. But lawyer for plaintiff Hansen Kwejo told the court hearing the case in Cape Coast will prove too dangerous for his clients and their assigns, who for some time now have come under attack. He blames the Omanhene and his agents for being behind those attacks, which have resulted in some documented injuries.
We were talking about the fact that our security could not be guaranteed at that particular court because on a particular occasion my clients were brutally assaulted, and we exhibited pictures of those who were assaulted to the extent that one even was shot, on the leg, So we are entertaining a reasonable fear that if we go to that particular court, because of this particular case, our security, could not be guaranteed. So that was what we're talking about. And the other lawyer was saying that, the state has security and security systems and measures, so we should not be afraid. It's not a matter of being afraid. If you are shot to death and you die, what is not, you don't need to be afraid and all kind of things. So that's what the issue. Talking about forum convenience, we are looking at the place where the matter ought to be heard properly. And we don't look at any other thing but matters also like security and then the convenience of the witnesses and then the parties. In this particular case, in our opinion, security is very paramount and we do not have to compromise it in any way. But as I said, whether security or no security, what the court says is final. If the judge thinks that the Chief Justice should look into the matter, the Chief Justice has the power under the Courts Act and then CIF 47 to decide.
Meanwhile, the court, presided over by His Lordship Samuel Faraday Johnson, has adjourned hearing to October 28, 2024 to rule on the jurisdiction motion. For the second time, the Omanhene Osiadeyo Kwesi Kenin IV was absent from court. Rather, Ochiame Yao Asamoah and Ernest Aholu were in court during the Monday hearing. Ohiming Terriers reports for Joy News.